Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Kevebub, K-E-V-E-B-U-B, car roof bag. This is a 600 liter in capacity, 100% waterproof and stormproof roof box for your car. 800D PVC roof rack for all kind of vehicles out there. With and without railing system, it can be attached there. We have an anti-slip mat and 6 door hooks and a carrying bag. This comes with an approximately 600 liter capacity. Huge is this capacity, 21 cubic feet. We gain space in the vehicle interior for a more comfortable journey. This is possible with 600 liter bag. Easily holds 4 to 6 medium-sized suitcases or a complete camping equipment for a family of 4. That's either for vacations and, of course, for trips. And designed for unpredictable weather. Made of military-ready 800D PVC with a heat shields a zipper system, which is waterproof, and a 15 centimeter wide bag will cover. This equipment stays dry even in heavy rain on the highway. And a versatile solution for the hatchback models, station wagons and SUVs, without the bare roof or accessing the roof rails. The 6 included heavy-duty door hooks ensures a secure hold without the need for expansive roof racks or crossbars. And the non-slip protective mat protects our paint from scratches, while reinforced 3.8 centimeter wide wrap and industry buckles ensures a rattle-free, rock-proof driving experience. And everything we need for a trip is one box. 600 liter, waterproof. Anti-slip mat, nice. 6 door hooks, yeah. And a combination lock for more safety. At rest areas and a compact storage bag. Wow, that looks great. 100% waterproof, RIP resistant, UV protection, easy to install, ultra durable, and extra large. We have 8 to 14 centimeter strong Velcros there. We have a premium waterproof zipper, seamless heat-welded seams, reinforced heavy-duty buckles, and a suspender system. We have 3-layer waterproof fabric, PVC GR, Aldi, and PVC GAN. Ultimate 100%. And it's good with side rails. It's good without a rack, with the crossbars, and with baskets. It's compatible to sedan, wagon, pickup, SUV, hatchback, and hot roof off the road. The 21 cubic feet is an incredible cargo capacity. 3-person tents, compatible. 24 suitcases, 24 inches, 4 of them. Sleeping bags, 6. Duffel bags, 6. Camping chairs, 6. All that is possible. We locate the door frame rubber seal and pull down the rubber seal. We attach the hook to the iron frame and push back the rubber seal to secure the hook in place. Then we press the straps to the hooks and use the hooks to tighten the back straps. Then we tighten and secure the straps while we're adjusting the buckles, and we use the backward straps to hold it to prevent flapping and ensures that the carrier bag is securely fastened. Yeah, that looks easy, and of course, no tools are required. Secure cargo in minutes and hit the road with confidence. That's all is possible with that device here, with that Kevebub car roof bag. 600 liter capacity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tön tön!